What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a modern day mullet, so stay tuned. We're starting off by using our Goat FX to create our first guideline contouring to the shape of his head. When making the rainbow shape, you want to make it as low as you can and also at an angle. You want to be able to give yourself room to spread the blend. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Make sure you're following the same shape you did as your first guideline. Also, when I go near the back area, I'm making the guideline a little bit smaller. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you watch to the end. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Remember to follow the same shape. Moving on to the two guard all the way open, we're getting ready to blend into the bulk and use the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. After we're done detailing with the 1 guard all the way open, we moved on to our 3 guard all the way open and we're continuing to blend into the top bolt. Now that we're done detailing, we can move on to our clipper over comb method. When you see me with the cutting blade cutting vertically, I'm blending, and when you see me with the cutting blade cutting horizontally, I'm debulking. Now we're beginning to blend the beard. We're starting off with the no guard all the way open, and then we're moving on to the one guard all the way open. Moving on to his C cup, I'm starting at the bottom arch and working my way to the top. Now we're detailing the fade with the one guard all the way open, and we're using our corners to remove some of the dark spots. Moving on to his hairline, we're going to make sure we comb all the baby hairs down, and then we start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. Lining your client up, you always want to make sure you're very gentle to the touch. Moving on to the top of the hair, we're going to begin by saturating it and then making a guideline through the middle and then connecting it to the sides. I always like to make sure to set my guideline in the front and make sure it's very even before I start to begin to go to the back. He also wanted the back trimmed, so I'm also trimming the back. Starting off by taking the guide from the top area and then connecting it to the bottom area. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Okay, so now we're beginning to blend the mullet into the cut and make it into a V shape using the 1 guard all the way open and the 1.5 guard all the way open. Using our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, we're going to make him as crispy as possible.